Hi, I'm Nyla with Corporate Production here at BOXFOX, and today we're sitting down with CEO and co-founder Chelsea Moore for 5 Fast Facts. Thank you for being here today.
I'm here every day.
Let's get started. Who is your dream mentor?
Eva Chen.
What is the best restaurant in LA?
Barrique in Venice, hands down.
What's your favorite travel spot?
Spain, all of it, in its entirety.
What are you most proud of?
Yikes, Nyla. I think definitely what we're building internally here at BOXFOX for our employees. I love our customers, but I also love building something that thinks about work in the larger scheme of life holistically, and I'm excited to continue doing stuff for that.
What's your number one tip for success?
Awareness.
Ooh, I love that.
Thank you.
For more business tips and inside the BOXFOX, head to shopboxfox.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I'm Chelsea, CEO and co-founder of BOXFOX, and you can find me on Instagram at Seymour.